Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Aurelia Hidayat, NPM 18 310 and 101. I'm from Medical Faculty of 2018. I'm from Canberra class of Language Center. And then I want to talk about anemia of iron deficiency. Before I'm continue to my speech, what is anemia of iron deficiency? Anemia of iron deficiency is the type of anemia that occurs due to a low of iron in the blood. And then what is iron? Iron is the cell, the particle who needed in the body for that's the function is very important to the body. So the etiology of this anemia, for the first is the definition of this anemia is occurs due to a low of iron in the blood. And then what is iron? Iron is a particle which important in our body that especially live in the blood. So secondly is the etiology of this anemia, for the first is increased needs, especially for pregnant women and breastfeeding. So secondly is the low of iron absorbed by food. Thirdly is infection that easily occurs in a child, such a parasitic infection. And then there's some type of parasite that infection the body can make the absorption the iron in gastrointestinal is make a problem, and then can be can make the absorption of iron is difficult. So the first is gastrointestinal bleeding due to hookworm infection, and then the hookworm that can make infection in the gastrointestinal make the absorption iron in the food is problem, so the iron is low in the body. So fifth, socioeconomic status. For socioeconomic status is especially who can't buy the good or health vegetable and health meat. And then I will explain it in the next. There is sign and symptom for the anemia deficiency iron. For the first is weight loss, get tired quickly, and also easy to dizzy. This typical clinical symptom of this problem of this anemia for the first time is spoon nail, and then the nail is not shiny, so flat like a spoon. So secondly, there are atrophy of the tongue papilla. The surface of the tongue becomes smooth and shiny. So the third is angular stomatitis. Angular stomatitis is an inflammation of the corners of the mouth that look like a whitish spot, and then the angular stomatitis there are in corner of the mouth. So the next one is risk factor of this anemia for the first time is menstruating women, especially who have a cyclus menorrhagia, and then menorrhagia here is cyclus menstruation that the bleeding is more than normal people. So secondly is pregnant and breastfeeding woman. So the third is child during growth. So vegetarian, but don't worry for vegetarian or in diet cyclus, you can change it by spinach, so by nut and etc. So for the fifth is socioeconomic. For the next is colon cancer. Colon cancer is gastrointestinal system. If there's a problem, and then the absorb of iron is problem. So the next is long term of use aspirin, and then aspirin disease have side effect that make the absorb of iron is problem, is difficult and make a problem, and then make the iron in the body is low. So the last there's a management of anemia deficiency iron. For the first is non-medicamentosa. Non-medicamentosa here there are high FA diet. This is can begin from the food like food hikes in iron such as spinach, chicken liver, fish, cereal, nuts, red meat, seafood, tofu, and soy. And then don't worry who have a diet sickness or have doesn't like a vegetables, doesn't like meat, you can change it. If you doesn't like a meat, you can change it to spinach, to green vegetables. If you doesn't like vegetables, you can read fish, chicken liver, so red meat, seafood, and etc. So, the secondly, avoid foods or drinks that inhibit iron intake such as tea and coffee. And then who have anemia of iron deficiency, you can stop to drink tea and coffee because that can make the treatment is useless. Why? Because tea and coffee can inhibit absorption iron in your body. So for the second is medicamentosa therapy. Medicamentosa therapy for the first time is oral iron therapy. Oral iron therapy you can use ferrosulfate. So for parenteral iron therapy you can use iron dextran complex. And then there's additional treatment. Additional treatment for the first time is you can use vitamin C. Why you must use the vitamin C? Because vitamin C can make the absorption of iron is high and then more fast. So for the last treatment you can use blood transfusion, but this is last choice. Why the blood transfusion is last choice? Because this is just for urgent. And then you can use blood transfusion if your hemoglobin in your blood is very low, like 7 milligram. And then maybe enough from me about anemia of deficiency iron. And then thank you for your full attention. Thank you for your full attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.